Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Volkswagen Jetta Sedan. Stock reference number 4705. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2006 through to the 7th month 2011. It has a CBDB 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. CBDB 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, chrome radiator grille, chrome insert, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, chrome insert type, left power door mirror, left door has a couple of small dents, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front door, small fold on the rear edge and a small dent. Right guard, one small dent. Right power door mirror. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey leather interior. It's got a grey leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, digital type. Standard CD player, single stack. Interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.